Hi guys, this is Lisa from Local King Robert Stan. Welcome to my channel. I am back to Canada now. Some of you guys probably know that I went to Japan just a few weeks ago and all by myself. So I spent 15 nights in Japan and I traveling almost a circle around Japan. So during the 15 nights, I actually changed 11 different kind of hotel. So it was awesome. And if you are interested in my trip, in the end of this video, I have put some few of the highlight, and I would love to share with you guys if you are interested in my trip in Japan. Okay, so today is December 14th, Christmas and the New Year's just around the corner. I just want to wish everybody have a happy holiday, stay safe and stay healthy and be happy every day. So I know some of you guys probably missed our Black Friday sale. So we are going to have a 1 day Boxing Day sale. The Boxing Day in Canada is kind of like Black Friday in US. So the Boxing Day actually is my anniversary. I met my husband in 1991, the Boxing Day. So we are gonna have a 1 day Boxing Day sale. So it's going to be 40% off the whole online store. And I some of you guys probably missed the pre Black Friday the bundle set, which are those 12 brand new background stamps. So I put all together for 99.99 plus free shipping. So that's a awesome price, and they will be available again for only 1 day. The in the Boxing Day, so they will be 99.99 for the whole 12 new background stamps plus free shipping. That's an awesome deal if you are looking for some awesome gift for yourself or your friend. Take advantage of this bundle. So this bundle is not 40% off, but all the other bundles they are sorry, all the items in the store they are 40% off, but the shipping fee will add it on. So this is a great deal because 12 stamps background stamp, if you want to pay the shipping, probably around like $20. Okay, so that's the first things. The second thing is about our Caribbean stamping cruise. So first things, after I come back from Japan, I already shipped all the Black Friday's orders. I hope by now you have received your orders. If you haven't received your order, please contact me. And when I ship your order, you should receive the tracking number. So track your package or contact me so to find out where is your package. But they having mail almost today, almost like 20 days ago, a while ago. So you should receive it by now. I hope so. Okay, so and after I come back, you probably can see I kind of rearranged my studio. So when we moved to this house, we was kind of like a temporary. So I just kind of squeeze everything in one of the room, but plane change all the time, so it looks like we're gonna stick here for a while. So I kind of change it to my studio to the bigger room and have a better view in the back. So, and what else I was doing? I was preparing the project for our stamping cruise, which is coming in February. So I know I finished all the project. We are going to have two classes on board, and I know a lot of you guys are not able to traveling, but don't worry, I'm going to offer the same classes online. So here's the detail. So this is what I designed for our 2024 stamping cruise, which is going to leave from Tampa in February. Let me see which day. It's right after the Stampfest, so it will be okay. So stamping cruise is leaving February 12th from Tampa, and then we will be attending the Stampfest. Stampfest is a show in Clearwater. I will put a link below if you are in the Clearwater or Florida area. It's a good show, and we will be there. So the show is February 10th. It's a 1 day show, but a Friday they have an awesome make and take. It's an awesome make and take for 3 hours, and the local King Robert Stan is a sponsor for one of the project, and I highly recommend it if you can make it. is a fun project. Well, you sure have to work hard because I think you will end up to have a team project in 3 hours. Okay, so that's the first things. And then after the show is a Saturday and the Sunday is a 1 day break before our cruise. So the cruise will leave on the Tampa February 12th. It's a 5 day cruise. It go to Caribbean. They have a two open sea day. That's the time we are going to do all classes. So each class I have a four car projects and I finish all the project. I don't want to spoil the surprise, so just kind of sneak peek from here. So and then this is the stamps that I designed for our 2024 Caribbean cruise. We still have one more Alaska cruise, the leaving from Vancouver, which is the place I'm living. I'm so excited to see you guys in Vancouver. Same thing, if you cannot make it to our cruise, don't worry about it. We will have the online classes, and I'm going to offer a great deal for you guys too, so you can join us online. You know, traveling is getting so expensive. I think if you have never done the cruise, that's the best way to traveling because everything's included and it's actually cheaper than you stay in the hotel. So everybody sign up for the cruise, so you will get at least a stamp set for free. That's for you to keep, plus something else if you join us for our cruise. If you cannot join us on our cruise, I am going to offer the same stamp set. Okay, so this is what it look like. A little bit dirty because I already used. It's going to be $79.99 plus the all 8 cards material. So it's going to be a lot of preparation. These stamps that we are not going to have a matching die cut, but when I send your order, I will provide you a ready cut die cut. But you are still going to stamp it. I just figured out the other way you can do it without the die cut because now nobody want to hand cut anymore. Everybody want to do a die cut. So it's going to be a lot of preparation. They are going to come with a car project, come with all the paper, all the layout. So and then I will provide the material list. You are going to need or like a local king's mark. No, sorry, you don't need a local king's marker. You just have to have some markers. And if you have a marker, that would be great. So that way you can know the color I'm using. We are going to need to use a local king's magic mushroom. If you don't have it, no worry. You can use any blending tools that you have, the impact or all those kind of stuff. Just use what you have. You don't have to use exactly the same item that I'm using. So they will be 2 classes is going to run through the Zoom, and you will receive the link to join us. You can decide you want to show your face or you don't want to show your face, and it will be recorded. So if you cannot make it to those 2 classes, I will send you the special link and then you can watch it and you can just follow up. So those are for the people who signed out the online classes or cruise. And then it's a free shipping too. So I'm still working on the detail, and the 2 classes will be announced shortly, and they will be launched after the cruise. Okay, so that's something about our stamping cruise, which is coming in February. So just a quick peek. This is the one that I designed for last year. Okay, and I don't know is it still available online. I don't know, did I remove it or not. So if you are interested in purchase this one, just send me an email, let me know. But this one is going to be available after we return from our stamping cruise. So you just gotta wait a little bit first. So for that 8 classes, I will prepare all the material. So if you sign on my class, you on board. I mean on board, not online. On board, I am preparing everything you need. Basically, you just come with your bikini and your own stuff. You don't have to bring anything for the class. And we have a reserve classes. We have a reserve a special conference room for or cruiser only, so you don't have to share with any people, other people. And I will be prepare some like a diecast machine or the basic tool for you to use. If you want to working on your own project, you have to bring the stuff that you need for your own project. For the classes, you don't have to bring anything. So I can't wait to head into Florida, the nice weather, sunshine, and the warm. So Vancouver this year is not that bad. We just have some rain, and it's not really cold yet. So in the August, we have an awesome weather in Vancouver. It's so pretty in Vancouver. If you have never seen Alaska yet, and I highly recommend if you can make it, check our website. And we still have a. I hope we still have a room for all craft, but we don't know do they still have a room for the cruise because last year they sold out the cruise spot before we sold out our craft spot. So check it out, and I know everything getting so expensive now. I know the cruise price they jack up a little bit. If you're still interested in our Caribbean cruise, please check our travel agent. And if you're a single traveler, they probably can pair with you with some other single traveler. They will do their best to help you, and it's probably only 2 months away for Caribbean cruise. So call the agent if you're interested to find out the final price. Sometimes a little bit more, sometimes the last minute probably is a little bit cheaper. So check it out, and I hope to see you guys in Florida or in Alaska. And like I say, I know a lot of you guys traveling probably is not easy for you, and don't worry. I will put all the information online soon. So it's $17.99 free shipping. You will get at least a whole set, and you will get 8 cards, all the material that you need for your class. It's include the impact, those kind of stuff. I mean, for the cards. And here is just a rough idea what we're going to do, and we're going to use this set and plus some other stuff. So if you watched my last video, I have finished another 10 combo set. I'm working on the design, the die cut design now. And don't forget, we will still have at least 12 background stamp bundle special for only 1 day sale. That will be the Boxing Day, December 26th. It's start from the midnight and the ending the midnight. So get all these 12 awesome background stamp for only $19.99 plus free shipping. And just a quick pick of one of the card that I use one of our new background stamp. So I will list this item after the New Year soon. After the I think after New Year's, and just stay tuned. If you have any question, don't hesitate. Send me an email, and I will respond as soon as possible. So I just want to wish everybody have a wonderful holiday, and be happy every day. Enjoy what you have, and if you are interested to find out my trip in Japan, keep watching this video, and I would love to share some highlight moment with you guys. Just a little hint, I actually tried the mixed onsen. So mixed onsen is the naked man and the naked woman mixed together in the one hot spring pool. So I was so brave that I did it because I want to see the best view, and that's only have it in the mixed onsen pool. If it's like a woman or man pool, you don't see that beautiful all day view. So if you like to find out a little bit more about my adventure, keep watching this video. It will make you laugh. So this is Lisa from Local King Robert Stamp. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm going to see you soon. Bye guys.